Happy New Year and welcome to 2023. You know what is a good thing to eat on New Year's that'll help you have a prosperous year? Lentils. So guess what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make lentil meatloaf. I love prosperousness. So this is something I've always wanted to try. I do love vegetarian foods, and a meatloaf made from lentils sounds like a fun thing to try. So let's do it. So you need to boil some water with a little salt. Then I'm going to add about a cup of lentils to that. I'm going to cook these dry lentils for about 25 minutes, mostly covered. They're cooked and ready to be drained. It says allow to cool and then partially mash them. Put it in a bowl. Add a diced onion, 1 cup of quick oats, 3/4 of a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, and stir. Add an egg, 4½ ounces of tomato sauce, teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon seasoning salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, shake of parsley, a shake of Italian seasoning, and mix it all very well. I'm going to put it in my prepared loaf pan and pat it down. And there it is. Does kind of look like a meatloaf. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. We want the top to be dry and kind of have a golden brown color. It's out of the oven and it looks pretty good. Look at that. I had a little, I'm going to let it cool, but I did have a little extra tomato sauce in my can that I'm going to brush on the top. Lentil meatloaf. I do love lentils. This will certainly make me regular. It tastes kind of meaty. I definitely taste the onion and those herbs. It works well. It's a perfect alternative. I am so thankful for lentils. I hope the prosperity begins soon. I want the money to be rolling in. Happy New Year's. What does 007 do with his money? Bonds, stocks and bonds.